This is why you need to know these mind-blowing bird facts. Get ready, it's fascinating. Did you know that hummingbirds can fly backwards? The common swift can stay in the air for up to 10 months without landing. Penguins propose with pebbles. Flamingos are only pink because of their diet. Owls can't move their eyes, they turn their heads instead. The heart of a hummingbird beats over 1,200 times per minute. Ravens can mimic human speech. The ostrich is the world's largest bird, but it can't fly. Chickens have over 30 unique vocalizations. And lastly, albatrosses can sleep while flying. How cool is that? Keep loving nature.